more on title, anything else. Yes.
Well, we have the title which they cannot deny
Tag
also.
along with this.
But can a Waqf
We
be
only tag it along
prescribed?
with this. Tag along with this.
But I'm
मेरे
having
को
Well,
सेम नहीं
state
होगा
court
तो
was ordered by the
या
Supreme
इसके तो
Court,
मिस्टर
that
वर्मा
may
ग्रुप
be
में देखिए होगा
maintained.
बाल्टी
That's correct. The same form. Yes. Tag along with that. Yes. Yes.
the status quo order is there regarding construction, but there's no.
That's right. They can't put a construction. They can't. Yes.
4 floors, 1 is field, ground plus 3 we're using.
That's all right.
Well, it may be clarified that liberty that has been given to the Waqf
Yeah.
extends to initiating whatever action, including contesting the right of the respondent number 1 to the
It's always there. They are not disputing that. You can do that.
Well,
Yes. Yes. Approach the tribunal, get it done. Yes.
well,
Board and then tribunal. Yes. Yes.
हाँ रोशन क्या बोल रहे थे
Directed the pharmacy council to file an affidavit.
Yes.
I'm told they have filed an affidavit.
हाँ आज जाएंगे तो हम करेंगे कॉल थोड़ा सा कुछ काम करें ठीक ना आपको करते हैं आधा घंटा कॉल आज जाएंगे तो करवा ही देंगे
We are questioning that.
Well, I have a
नहीं
complete
आज
answer
करवा
to that.
देंगे आज हम भी अपना जाएंगे करवाने
Consequence at all. First, this notification is without a statutory backing. Second, this notification is only with respect to Pharma D, which is a new course and which only gives an equivalence that the Pharma D people will also be equivalent to Bachelor in Pharmacy and Diploma in Pharmacy. Beyond that, that notification has no use at all. And thirdly, my lord, the Pharma D curriculum I have there with in the record also. The Pharma D curriculum says that you have 2 entries. One after completing the Diploma in Pharmacy and second after completing Bachelor in Pharmacy. So you are otherwise eligible. So then you have a degree in your hand, either of the diploma or of the
So
degree.
you are saying that they have a number one, they have a better avenue, and then for this, the nature of the job which for which you are sort to be.
They are completely unsuited.
Unsuitable.
The syllabus of the two are totally different.
So I have given a complete explanation that
No, but let's may I submit, my lord.
No, Romi sir.
No, let me.
Romi sir is good enough.
I'm sorry.
He'll
I don't
keep
have
you
any
in
problem.
mind.
my lord. They want a password. I don't have any problem. my lord.
You have a respondent, petitioner. All right. You are the
See, now, my lords, here, my lord, what is actually done is, by way of an amendment, my lord, diploma is made actually compulsory. Now, my lord, your lordship will see, this is a matter which squarely comes within the ambit of the Pharmacy Act. And Pharmacy Council has passed, they have issued regulations to the effect that bachelors, people holding bachelor's degree, master's degree, and Pharm D are actually eligible. Now, my lord, your lordship directed them to file an affidavit in which they have made
eligible to be registered as a pharmacist.
Correct. Now, my lord,
Two different things.
Yes, no, correct. Now, my lord, now this particular notification is issued by the Bihar government, whereby, my lord, initially they said we can also apply. Now, in the appendix, my lord, they brought out an amendment whereby they said, unless you have acquired diploma degree, diploma.
Is there any rule by the central rule which says that for this post, these are the qualifications?
Now, my lord,
2000 rules.
No, the central rule does not say.
Central rule does
Only
not
say the eligible as a pharmacist.
Yes, and the act is only with respect to
Act
the
is a
academic,
act.
the Pharmacy Act.
Yeah.
This covers only the academic aspect of the pharmacy. And the Pharmacy Act itself stipulates there are number of kind of pharmacists that can be registered. If your lordship sees section 31.
What is the position under the central government? Because they also must be making recruitment.
Yes, in the central government, there are number of posts for which different people are eligible. Some post diploma in pharmacy, some bachelor in pharmacy. Because what happens, these two are different stream, completely differently trained. So they are recruited for the different purposes.
Leonard Senior, see, he is justified up to some extent because suppose you are holding a degree, your job is in industry, your job is at a higher place. You will not be collecting urine sample and stool sample and
Dispensing of medicine.
I mean,
Yes, I got your lordship.
I mean, that kind of job,
Your lordship
I
is right.
think,
Your lordship
Preliminary stage.
Now,
If
my
you
lord,
are,
as far as the one in which I am appearing is concerned, my lord, it is different from other matters in the sense, my lord, I am actually serving as pharmacist in the medical colleges and in the hospitals run by the Bihar government for the last 10 years as a contractual employee. So now, my lord, what is actually
It
stated
may
by
be council saying.
no, what I'm saying is, what they say is, I don't have that but these degree holders do not have that 500 hours working experience. Now, insofar as I am concerned, my lord, I have acquired 5,000
You may
hours
be,
work.
sir, we are not
But
on,
today, no,
we are not on facts, we
no,
are
no,
on the
I'm
question of
correct,
eligibility.
my lord. Today, my lord, I have acquired.
It may be a hard case for
Correct.
you.
Now, my lord,
So we
today
are on
I
the
have
question of
acquired. What I am
eligibility.
saying is,
Chanchur, if I'm not.
Yes, my lord. I have got, your lordship had asked me that I prepare a compilation kind of.
Yes,
Only
yes.
that judgment. Justice Chanchur said.
My lord, I put in
Your compilation is short.
So,
can I just have a copy?
Sir.
Where is it?
That is page 3 and 17, my lord.
3?
317.
Yeah.
This is exactly on the same point.
317. Yes.
If you lordship see first the dispute, what was the dispute? If you lordship see para 2, the state government by so and so such and such posts were created in the various department of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Itna fresh posts were created, and the power so and so, including so and so, post of technician 3 and 200 post of junior engineer. Qualification for the post of technician 3 was metric and ITI. The qualification post for the junior engineer with the rank higher in the hierarchy was
Where are you reading? Page?
para 2, my lord, page 320.
320. Yes, yes.
Get
Yes.
So there were two kind of posts. Now, if your lordship see, para 4, the appellant applied for the post of technician 3. Para 4,
Yes.
320 foot of the page.
Yes.
The first appellant hold the diploma in electrical engineering. Appellant 2 and 3 and 4 hold the diploma in electronic communication. Appellant 3 and 5 hold the diploma in electrical engineering. None of these possess the IIT certificate. Now, if your lordship see, straight away comes to para 11.
It's argument.
Milord.
That's
Argument is important because the same argument is they are raising, Milord. So and so, a learned counsel appearing of the appellant underline the significance of the provision contained in so and so. The submission is that the prescribed qualification of matric with IIT is a bare minimum requirement of job, and note contemplates that weightage can be granted to the higher qualification in the relevant line and the discipline may be decided. Learned counsel buttress her submission by source. A diploma is in fact higher qualification than ITI. This is also their case. ITI holders are entitled to a lateral entry into diploma course of electrical engineering. The same thing that this happened in this case. So and so placed reliance on the series of advertisement. Now, after this submission, my lord, if your lordship straight away come to para 20.
Para 20.
My lord. Under the above provision, as well as advertisement, which was issued by the board, every candidate must possess the prescribed academic professional technical qualification and must fulfill all other eligible conditions. Prescribed qualification for the post of technician 3 in the power department is the metric with IIT in the relevant trade. The board at so and so meeting took notice of the fact that some district, the interviews are conducted for the candidate with the diploma in electrical engineering, while in other districts, candidate with a diploma had been considered to be eligible for the
come to
post.
para 27 state.
While prescribing the qualification for the post, a state as employer may legitimately bear in mind the several features, including the nature of job, the aptitude requisite for the different efficient discharge of the duties, the functionality of a qualification, and the content of the course of study leading to the acquisition of qualification. The state is instructed with the authority to assess the need of its public service, exigencies, and administration. It is tried to law fall within the domain of administrative decision making. The state is a public employer may well take into account several prospective social perspectives that require the creation of job opportunities across the societal structure. All these are essential matter of policy. Judicial review must treat fairly.
26.
26 is on.
26 also.
Yes, my lord.
And it says, the last line,
Last two lines.
Yes, my lord.
that it is why the decision in Jyoti must be understood in the context of a specific statutory rule under which holding of a higher qualification which presupposes the acquisition of a lower qualification was considered to be sufficient for the post.
My lord.
The absence of such a rule, next page.
Huh.
That is material. The absence of such a rule in the present case makes a crucial difference. So the acquisition of a higher qualification does not presuppose the.
And here,
That is the gist of the.
and here the diploma courses, they have 500 hours of practical training. And if your lordship see the syllabus, out of 500, 250 hours are only dispensing of medicine. And they are specifically for the hospitals, for keeping of records, dispensing of medicines.